Using cashback on a credit card is a great way to earn rewards and save money on your purchases. To get started, you need to understand how cashback works and how to use it effectively. First, you need to choose a credit card that offers cashback rewards. Many credit cards offer cashback as a reward for using the card, with some cards offering a flat rate for all purchases and others offering higher rates for specific categories such as groceries or gas. Once you have a cashback credit card, you can start earning rewards by using the card for your everyday purchases. The amount of cashback you earn will depend on the card's reward structure and the amount you spend. To redeem your cashback rewards, you will typically need to log in to your online account or call the credit card company's customer service number. From there, you can choose to receive your cashback as a statement credit, a check, or a deposit into your bank account. To get the most out of your cashback rewards, it is essential to pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. You should also make sure to read the terms and conditions of your credit card to understand any limitations or restrictions on earning and redeeming cashback rewards. For example, some credit cards may have a minimum redemption threshold, which means you need to earn a certain amount of cashback before you can redeem it. Others may have rotating categories, which require you to activate the category each quarter to earn the higher cashback rate. In addition to understanding the terms and conditions, it is also crucial to use your cashback credit card responsibly. This means making on-time payments, keeping your credit utilization ratio low, and avoiding overspending. By following these steps and using your cashback credit card wisely, you can earn significant rewards and save money on your purchases. Remember to always read the terms and conditions, use your card responsibly, and redeem your rewards regularly to get the most out of your cashback credit card. Overall, using cashback on a credit card is a simple and effective way to earn rewards and save money. As long as you use your card responsibly and understand the terms and conditions. By doing so, you can maximize your rewards and enjoy the benefits of cashback on your credit card.